TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 378. We get the Nasdaq down 134. S&Ps are down 44. Last night you had Asia down 2 to 3%. You get Europe down about 1.5 to 2%. We go take a look at our own S&Ps, folks. We'll start with the cash. What you have with the cash just came into the lows that were generated out here from the 11th. That number there is 2710. We hit 2709. Bottom line, we'll see whether this ends up being an ABC structure on the way down. What that means specifically is that you go into that level, you blow it away with volume. We go into the XLF. The banks were talking about it, saying it, screaming it, all of the above, folks. You had the XLF, we're down 39 cents right now. XLF is broken down. It's below the strength that it had at 26.18. That's saying that the XLF is going to stop making a run down into this $23 to basically $21. XLE, same setup inside the XLE. Bottom line of the XLE, that's down at 68.83. If you take a look at the XLE, it's going right after the high volume low from February. That's 64.45. Notes and bonds have been saying it for quite some time. Bottom line is that they're going higher on price, lower on yield. They get volume behind the move out here today. You got the 10-year note up 17 ticks. You're at 118.17. Bottom line is that this thing wants to make a run back up to the highs of 120.20, which is pretty amazing. The bottom line is that that's what this market is doing. Right now, you're at 3.12. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar basically is still hanging tough. It went to a higher high today, gave it up on price, but that being said, guess what? Gold's in an ABC structure on the way up. Gold took out a B point out here today. You're going to have the volume on the move. We've done 186,000 contracts out here. The high was going into is 1236. You need 292,000 contracts, and we'll see whether they get another 100,000 contracts. But I do expect we're going to get that 100,000 contracts inside the market. We go take a look at the IWM, the small caps. Small caps basically have broken down once again. They led on the way down. I expect you're going to see them lead once again. And with the bulls and bears are going to fight over, and this is what is really deviant about this market. You get a gap lower. The IWM wants to go to 142. You're trading at 150. If we go over to that S&P again and look at the S&P, it's laying right at the low that was established out here. That is the most dangerous thing. Why? Because we gapped down once. I expect we're going to see in the next few days, you're going to gap lower again, and again. To recap out here, we have the Dow Industrials right now down 410. Nasdaq's down 168. S&Ps are down 48. Stay right there, folks. Tommy and I come right back.